Maple TA Lesson 13, homework question number 8. Recall from Lesson 5, Tom was deciding which breed of dog to purchase. He had made the following assumptions. He wants a medium-sized dog in the 20 to 30 pound range. He doesn't have time to care for a very active dog, so he's looking for one with lower activity levels. He would like a guard dog, and his dog needs to be able to get along with his roommate's dog. Before Tom finalizes his decision on which type of dog he is going to get, he stops to consider whether he has executed proper foresight in each of the following areas. Up to this point, which 4 of the following items has he not yet shown proper foresight in his consideration? The first here says how permanent is his current residence and how dog ownership might impact his moving options. He has not shown foresight on that. That was not one of the items that he had listed. The next one, possible allergy issues with the new dog, also something that he hasn't discussed or was listed. The next one, what he will do with the dog when he goes on vacation, also something that he hasn't thought forward to about finding somebody to watch the dog if he is not taking the dog with him. Or if he does take the dog with him, if he can find proper places that will accept a dog when he's vacationing. The next one, the dog needs to get along with his roommate's dog. He already talked about that, so that was proper foresight that he did that he had already shown. The next one, the cost of dog ownership, food, vet bills, and other liabilities. Again, something that he had not put into account with all of his following assumptions. And the last, the amount of time he has for a dog. He did already discuss that he didn't have as much time to care for a very active dog. Now the next part says, from the list above, which 6 options will require additional follow-through once he has a new dog in his life? The first one says he will need to follow through on any allergy issue with the new dog. That is very true. That will require follow-through. The next one, he will need to follow through by budgeting to cover the cost of dog ownership. Yep, he needs to put that cost into his budget. The next, he will need to follow through by adjusting on any plans to move to allow for his new dog. Again, that goes hand in hand with one of the things he hadn't thought about, his foresight yet. The next one, dogs do not require follow through. I'm going to leave that one blank. Okay, we have 3, so we need 3 more. Well, that tells us the next 3 are probably going to be will be the ones. He will need to follow through on by planning what he will do with the dog when he goes on vacation. Absolutely. If he ever goes on vacation, he needs to follow through on that one. Then he will need to follow through on assuring he spends time with the new dog. Absolutely. They are social animals and need to be cared for as well. And the last one, he will need to follow through on helping his new dog get along with his roommate's dog. There will be some training involved and time budgeting in that. Okay, let's get the green check marks and move to the next one.